In today's episode, I am going to be showing you how to make a Veaganary special. That's right, Veaganary, which means no meat. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, we are going to be making a vegan mushroom pate and it's going to be absolutely incredible. Guys, just for the record, I am not vegan. This is not a vegan channel. However, Veaganary is a thing for January and I will be making a few vegan recipes for you to enjoy. If this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video. But on a serious note guys, if you haven't commented or subscribed or hit that bell, please do. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. So guys, we're going to dive straight into this recipe and everything you will need for this is right here. Don't worry if you missed these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so check out down there and you'll catch them all down there. As well as those, I will be using the veggie and vegan stock and we're going to pop this into our recipe as well. It is everything you'll need, so we're going to dive straight in. So the first thing you will need to do is to take your onion and we're just going to cut this straight down the middle like that. So we're going to chop off the end, peel them. We're going to cut straight down into it. Cut 2 slices into it, straight through the middle, just like this. And then we're going to finely dice it. So we're going to take a bowl and we're going to pop all of our onions into a bowl like this. So the next thing we need to do once I've stopped crying, to grab our garlic, smash that like that. And what we want is we want 2 nice garlic cloves. And we're just going to peel these. And we're going to take our microplane and we're just going to mince these up. We're just going to take our minced garlic and pop that into our bowl with our onions. So we're going to take our orange and we're going to zest our orange. What we're going to do is going to pop our orange into our bowl. Lovely. So we're going to take our thyme, we're going to take our bowl and we're just going to pick off all of the leaves and pop that in there like that. We're just going to take our lighter, and we're going to light our front stove and we're going to take our stock and we're going to pour that in there just like that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cashew nuts and we're going to pop those in as well. So we're going to turn that up to a high heat. So now that we've got our vegan stock and our cashew nuts in there, we're going to move this to the back. We're going to put our frying pan on. We're going to take some walnut oil and we're going to pop some in there like that. And we're going to take our onion mixture, we're going to pop that into our frying pan. Just get it all out. Lovely. Just give that a nice mix. So now we're going to turn our frying pan down to a low heat and while that's sizzling away, nice and slowly, we're going to take our mushrooms and we're going to roughly cut these up. We're just going to take all of our mushrooms and pop these into our frying pan. We're going to take some salt and season it. We're going to take a spoon and we're going to take a tablespoon of coconut oil and we're going to pop that in there like that as well. I'm not a vegan person, I've already said that, but this is definitely a vegan meal I can get my teeth into. It smells absolutely delicious. We're going to carry on cooking these mushrooms until they look like this. And once they do, we're going to turn off the heat, move that across, and we're also going to cook our cashews until it looks like this. And as you can see, all the moisture's been boiled away and they're going to have this lovely softness to them. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So now that our mushrooms are ready and our cashew nuts are ready, what we need to do is we need to grab our blender, which is here. And we're just going to pop that there like that. Let's plug this in. We'll take off the lid. We'll take our cashew nuts. Let's get the last few in there. Lovely. Take our mushroom mixture and we're going to pop that in there as well. Make sure you get all that lovely juice in there. Yum. We're going to pop the lid on and now we're just going to blitz it. We're just going to turn off the blender, we're going to open it up and we're just going to scoop all of the mixture down from the sides, pop our lid back on and switch it on again. So once it's finished blending, take off the blender cup, pop that there, just going to get rid of this. What we need is we need some serving dishes. Let's get rid of the blade as well. And then all we're going to do is put our mushroom pate in our serving dishes. You of course can use any serving dish, so I've got a nice little jar here. You can use whatever you want. You can use a jar, you can use a serving dish. You can use a little pan. You can eat it straight out of the blender cup if you want, with some nice bread. Not a bad idea, that. If you really wanted to, guys, to make it look like the authentic pate, you can always melt some coconut oil in a frying pan and just pour this over the top. What we're going to do is we're going to pop this in our fridge and we're going to let that set. See in about half an hour. So yeah, guys, as you can see, mushroom pate is now set in the fridge and it looks absolutely incredible. It looks just like the real thing, and do you know what? Probably tastes that much better too. So guys, thanks for watching. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime, guys, happy Veaganary, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye. Veaganary, which means no meat for Veaganary, February, January. Right, next thing we need to do, once I've stopped crying, is to grab our onion, we need to grab our garlic and throw it on the floor.